Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Whether you've been here before or this is your first time, I am happy that you are here. So as you probably saw in the title, I'm going to be doing a rainbow pride look. Like I know I'm late, okay, because June is Pride Month and we're like at the end of June, but my birthday's at the beginning of June, and like while I'm an ally to the LGBTQ community, I'm not part of the community, like I'm an ally to them. And so my birthday comes first, is basically what I'm trying to tell you. So everyone else's looks probably happened at the beginning, so I'm late, but it's fine. It was also requested by my boyfriend's sister, so shout out to you, Johnny. This is for you. I'm at my cousin's house, dog sitting, and like basically house sitting because I've just been staying here. So I'm there. I brought a lot of my makeup just to like have my basics down, and then I'm borrowing some palettes because I just use the same ones in my videos. So now we're getting a couple of new ones. Ooh, I just thought of something that I never think of. Do this first and then do the rest of my face later, so if I mess up, I don't have to worry about fixing all this again. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna start with priming my lids. I've got my MAC Laying Low Pro Longwear Paint Pot. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a bright red. I've got, I found the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. I'm starting with the color Prick, because you're gonna prick your finger. Blood sugar, get it? And I'm gonna start trying to put that in here. So I wanna have the colors going along my crease, come out, and also go along the bottom, or go along my lash line as well. Okay. Next, I'm gonna move into orange. So I'm gonna take the orange from the Take Me to Brazil palette. It's a pretty bright orange, that one. Wipe my brush off again. And go into yellow. I feel like this one's gonna work better than that one. You know, that one looks brighter in the pan, but as you see, just because it's bright in here doesn't mean it's bright on my face. Okay. Red, orange, yellow, green, a light green. So Julia's Place. Oh, they've got a shiny green. So we're gonna take Molly. Some setting spray. See if that helps. I'm gonna take blue, and then I think I'm gonna put the purple to meet the red. Blue and red make purple. So they go, it's fine, it's great. Just go with it, guys, just go with it. Some more setting spray. Taking Dahlia, it's next to Molly. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into Makeda, purple color. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I'm gonna go along my lash line. Now, the colors are all kind of really just there, so I want to try and maybe blend them a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna work or just mess it all up, so you know, cross your fingers for me. Okay, I'm going to use some concealer to try to make some separation between the middle of my lid and all the colors that I did. Huh, that one. Okay, and then I'm going to set that with Giza. I think I might go over with the purple a little bit more. It's because it kind of got drowned out a bit. There with primer. Foundation. Concealer. Brows. Blush. Bronzer. Powder, set the rest of my face. Mascara. Lashes. It only took like, I don't know, at least 5 or 6 tries to get the lashes on. They're not even on that well. This eye, they're like too high up. These lashes, like, they don't, the shape of them is like too curled. Like my eyes are too wide or something, I don't know. But they are bothering me. This one's poking me. So we just gotta keep on trucking so I can finish the look. Found the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. I'm thinking Blue Moon because I like the color blue. For lips, I'm gonna be doing Morphe, I think this is lip gloss, Flower Crown. Hope it's a lip gloss. They feel like sandpaper, my dude. Like, it's really light. Oh wow. And then setting. Here's a finished look. What do you think? It's not perfect, but like, when you look from like far, it's cute. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give it a thumbs up because I tried my best, you know. If you have any suggestions, is there a certain type of video? I know I got quite a few new subscribers. So if there's any videos that you prefer of mine, like challenge or clothes, let me know so I can make more of those. And yeah, I will see you guys, hopefully, in the next one. Or I guess you'll see me because I can't see you through the screen. I'm just looking at my phone right now. Hopefully you'll be watching my next video and like it. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.